when it comes to mind, how do you relax yourself mentally? What kind of things do you do to keep your stress levels down?
Actually, I go swimming in the evening and I work out, and then I also talk to friends, so sort of using peer counseling.
For me, I guess to keep my stress levels down, I kind of turn to writing, like, creative writing, poetry, or maybe even writing the music. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of expressing my creativity, going through creative outlets is kind of the best way for me to do that.
A lot of the time I do exercise just because that keeps me physically and mentally, like, sane, I guess. So, yeah, I do both.
So exercise works for you physically and mentally?
Yes.
I do. I listen to a lot of music. Sometimes I got to turn off the rap music and listen to a lot more of the soul, back in the day. That's what I grew up on. And I can do a little meditating every now and again, when your mind's really just got a lot of things stressed going on, you just sit down.
Okay.
Is it really true what they say?
Why won't they leave me alone? Why are people so mean?
I hate the way I am.
What's wrong with
Why
me?
can't I just be normal? I just don't understand.
I can't take this anymore.
Is something really wrong with me?
Am I not good
I
enough?
hate this.
Every day we are pressured to change the way we think and act in order to conform to what is popular in society. The things that people say about us can sometimes have a negative effect on the way we perceive ourselves. How do you feel?
Well, I don't really care what people got to say. I don't really let what they say affect me because at the end of the day, I'm still gonna be me. So if they got something to say it to my face or keep it to themselves. So I don't really care what people got to say.
The things that other people say, of course they're gonna affect me. I mean, I'm only human, so what people say is gonna affect me in some way, but as far as letting it, dictate my life, I can't do that.
I find it interesting when people talk about you. It entertains me because for the most part it's not true because they don't know you. They don't know me, so it doesn't matter. But it does affect me sometimes depending on who said it and what was said. But usually I can get past it and it just makes me a better person.
I really don't care what people say about me because I know I'm out of here in May, possibly June, so when I get a piece of paper saying I graduated, deuces.
Like most people, it affects me a lot. A lot of people are sensitive to certain things as far as what people say about you.
Honestly, what people say really does affect everybody. This has nothing to do with race, gender, or age. We do everything because of what others think. I mean, if you ever thought about it, when you look at a magazine, the only people in the magazine, only ladies in the magazine are the skinny, most beautiful women.
You know what I can't stand? What makes my skin crawl is when people act like they don't care when people talk behind their back, talking about, I don't care, I love my haters, this and the third. But 9 times out of 10, no, take that back. 10 times out of 10, the person that was talking behind your back, you talking about them behind their back.
Talking about other people or whatever, that's all trash. All y'all need to get a life, go find a job, go read a book, go do something. Turn on TV, it'll even be more entertainment.
It's all about respect. I mean, you gotta respect yourself. I mean, if you respect yourself and respect others, then you in return will get that respect.
It's time we change our mind state. Our culture needs to stop focusing on hate and start promoting love. Divided we accomplish nothing, but together we can spark change.
I do crossword puzzles to make my mind strong.
I study to keep my mind strong.
I read to keep my mind strong.
I draw to keep my mind strong.
I eat healthy to keep my mind strong.
I play music to help my mind stay strong.
Cool.